Limited edition spring seasonal flavor, Java Factory Blueberry Shortcake is a blueberry and vanilla cream flavored coffee. With the variety of Java Factory Roasters flavored coffees, you can find the perfect cup of coffee. Coffee doesn't have to be serious, just seriously good. Breakfast or dessert, we say it's just as good for either. When the sweet flavors of fresh-picked blueberries mingled with vanilla cream and nutty roasted coffee hit your tongue, you won't care what time of day it is. You'll just want to pour up another. Brew great tasting, quality coffee 1 cup at a time and enjoy the freshness of Java Factory Roasters coffee. Made from 100% fresh roasted Arabica coffee beans with a new filter system to deliver more taste per cup. Java Factory single-serve blueberry and vanilla cream flavored coffee pack includes 40 coffee pods. A great cup of coffee starts with the beans. At Java Factory, we inspect every one before and after roasting to make sure they meet our standards, and yours. Our roasting system ensures a smooth, full-bodied taste that's never bitter or acidic. We scrutinize each of our coffee pods for absolute perfection, making sure every cup is filled precisely with the specified amount of coffee grounds. Finally, we hand-check every completed cup. If it's not perfect, it's not going anywhere. Java Factory Roasters coffee pods are compatible with most Keurig K-Cups coffee maker, including 2.0 Brewers. Java Factory Roasters is not affiliated with Keurig Green Mountain Inc. Keurig, Green Mountain and K-Cup are registered trademark of Keurig Dr. Pepper, Inc. Top reviews from the United States. Me plus Wakey Wakey equals true love always. Wakey Wakey is the perfect blend for me. I love the taste of this brew. Perfect medium roast flavor, no bitterness. Of course I use an obscene amount of sugar, no creamer, so there's that, but most unflavored blends just don't do anything for me, and this brew I love. Thanks Java Factory for giving me something to look forward to in the morning.